Good evening. I'm Dr. Gismondi, principal of West Deptford High School. On behalf of the entire faculty and staff, I would like to welcome you to our new and improved open house. Thank you for coming to find out about our programs, meet our teachers, and for your continued constant support. The goal of tonight's program is to actually have you walk around our school to see our great facilities, relax, catch up with other families, meet your child's teacher, and receive contact information. To make this a little different, we did bring in student leaders that created stations regarding our sports teams and clubs that we offer in our school. If you want a formal tour of the school, our National Honor Society and Student Council students are stationed in the LGI to provide you with a more personal tour of our school. While taking the tour with them, talk to them about their experiences here at West Deptford High School. And lastly, stop in to our renovated cafeteria. We have members of our sports team selling items, free refreshments, the WDEA representation, PTO information, and taste the treats from Mrs. Lally Foods classes. We have been using Google Map under calendar events on this website. This is a live, up-to-date high school calendar for parents, teachers, and students to utilize. As you may or may not be aware, your child's academic progress and attendance is available to you via Power Parent. We strongly encourage you to check this daily to track your students' assignments, their grades, and of course, their daily attendance. If you do not yet have a password, please stop in the main office anytime during this evening to get your password and login information. As always, we're off to a great beginning here at West Deptford High School. We offer excellent educational programs for all of our students. We have many advanced placement courses that provide students with the opportunity to earn college credit while still in high school. Encourage your children to challenge themselves by selecting rigorous courses and even to take some extra classes. Last year, a number of our graduating seniors were accepted to highly prestigious colleges, and the class collectively earned thousands and thousands in scholarships and awards. As we venture together throughout your child's high school career, I have my important team members here to assist me in the daily operations of the school. My Assistant Principal of Curriculum and Instruction, Mrs. Kelly Clark, is here to answer any questions regarding curriculum or instructional questions that occur in the classrooms. Additionally, she has been a tremendous asset in building our STEM programs here at West Deptford High School, as well as all of the many offerings we have, including our AP Computer Science classes, our engineering classes, and many more in the making. We have partnered up with Camden County College, Rowan College of Gloucester County, and we're still looking for more colleges to partner with. We give and create top-notch ideas, dual crediting, and informative resources throughout our year. Mrs. Clark continues to organize our park testing and can answer any question you may have regarding your child's graduation requirements. Please note that all sophomore and junior parents' PSATs are taken during the school day on Wednesday, October 10th, free of charge. There's more information will follow. Mr. Camerata is our Assistant Principal of Discipline and Attendance. He's in charge of all of our daily attendance and our discipline for the entire school. Mr. Camerata oversees the high school HIB, which is the Harassment, Intimidation, and Bullying policy, alongside our anti-bullying specialist, Mrs. April Sanford. They have already started by training the entire student body within the first 10 days of school. Mr. Camerata, along with the entire staff, has asked that you continue to discuss the implications of bullying with your child. Please monitor what they are writing on social media, texts, and anything else electronically. Please feel free to view our policy online at any time. In addition, everyone needs to understand that attendance is important for school success. If you miss school, please contact the attendance office and leave a message. Remember, at the high school level, if you miss a certain amount of days, you could reach a point to be on loss of credit status. When you have a chance, please review our code of conduct and contact the school if you have any questions. We have Mr. Morrell is in charge of our athletics and activities. Mr. Morrell is the person to contact when you have any issues or questions regarding sporting events, physicals, practices, start updates, and most importantly, eligibility. Every marking period, Mr. Morrell checks every student's grades to make sure they are eligible to play a sport or get involved with an extracurricular activity. He is constantly reminding students to be student athletes and, of course, to be student leaders within our school building. Our students distinguish themselves in co-curricular activities and athletics. Our vocal and instrumental music programs are outstanding, and they provide our students with vast opportunities to display their talents. Our award-winning marching band continues to entertain the crowd and our football games and to earn first-place trophies in weekly competitions in the highly competitive TOB Tournament of Bands. Our choirs perform both at school and in the community, and our spring musical is not to be missed. Our athletic programs are historically strong. Our fall teams are off to a great start again this season, and we wish them nothing but the best of luck. As always, I will continue to update our community on changes through my Parent Eagle news that I send out to all parents over the weekend. If you do not or have not received anything from me via email or text by this point in time, please again stop in at the main office so we can figure out this miscommunication. I will also ask parents to continue to stay involved with your students' academics. High school is one of the many educational opportunities that we want students to take full advantage. Please, if you have any questions, contact the many staff members and guidance counselors here that are here to serve you. I look forward to meeting many of you this evening and working together with you to provide our students, your children, with an outstanding educational high school experience. Again, thank you for coming out tonight to our open house. Please enjoy.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
Thunder, 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 thunder,
thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder.
Turn this sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I drive his Ferrari and I'm like skin black.
All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my bad. All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my bad.
All big bank rolls, I got no. I just left my girlfriend, I'm in love with the ghost now. She's full of emotions, and now she's my old. Cause my Rari knows how to ride when it goes down. And my watch on froze, watch it glow when the lights out. If it's hot or cold, we gon' still bring the bikes out. I jumped out of Rolls Royce and I hop in a Lamb now.
I feel like windows
like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like shawty fire burning on the dance floor. Whoa. What a quad! Kingston, let's go, hey!